Happy?
Very.
You eating 닭갈비 now?
Yes, and this is the best 닭갈비 I've tasted for flavor ever.
Sounds really good.
Wonderful.
Okay, we now camping. Hey, monkey. Over there, Latte. That is Shani. He's gonna grill. No, that's a potato.
Potato and 감자 and 고구마.
Good. And he made this shrimp vegetable goji. 맛있겠다. 캠핑에 빠질 수 없는 건 이거죠. 쫀득이.
Fire roasted.
Oh my gosh. Great.
Oh yeah.
Yay. Oh, hello. In the morning time. Good morning.
It's been an interesting day, huh?
Uh-huh. You making a 소고기국?
Yep. It's still frozen though.
Yay, I love it. It was a cozy night.
It was.
Wow, look at that.
Latte.
Today's raining a little bit.
It's beautiful out here.
You know what? Yesterday, what happened?
All right, so you see this pan right there? So
This pan is quite really heavy.
yeah, it's a cast iron pan.
So heavy.
So I was packing in the car and I put the pan on the top of the back because I needed my hand to open up the trunk. And then I packed everything, but I left the pan. So we're driving and we get like almost to Hwangyang Tunnel. And then some guy just like comes up beside us and honks his horn and says, "Your fry pan!" And then it's just kind of like, oh boy.
It's a pan was here.
Yeah, it was up on the top of the car.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
Come on, fire.
Dance.
I'm shy in front of the camera.
There we go. I ate all.
소고기 밥국 맛있다. So delicious. It's beautiful out here right now.
Yeah. It's raining a little bit. It's really perfect.
Dogs were barking all night though, right?
I thought it was that wolf or something.
Yeah, they were howling and then
Yeah, howling.
barking.
Oh, hello. Kimpa!
This one's a small one. These ones have a lot more inside. I'm actually using my sushi knife to cut the kimbap. That cuts perfectly.
Wow. Nice weather.
Gorgeous.
Thank you for kimbap.
Wow, this kimbap is yummy.
Beautiful.
You're a whole lot there.
You don't take my video, right? Okay.
Latte, come on! Come on! Okay! Okay! So tired.